Hey guys, Justin Cole, the car guy here with this goldish colored Chevy Truck, 75 square body. It's a square body syndicate truck. And speaking of gold, we here at Accelerate Auto Repair just achieved our iCar Gold status. So make sure you bring us all your collision work. Anyway, this thing's got the 75, again, it's a 75 with the 454. It's got the Holly Sniper EFI. It's actually here right now because it has the upgraded modern vintage air system, AC, much better than factory, colder. It's dropped, so dropped springs, and gotta love this interior. Two-tone, tan on brown on wood grain with this old school steering wheel wrap. The valve stem caps are dice. The little lock stems are 8 balls. Gotta love the unique grand prize box in the bed of the truck. Little storage area. Gotta love it. Make sure you let us know if we can help with any of your square body work, classic, exotic, modern vehicles. We're here to help. Thank you very much.